be like,
"Hey, baby, let me get your number."
Oh, what a
Hey, come on now.
Oh, it's a video. I guess I don't have to flex anymore.
Cooking with your Asian friends.
Hello?
First you get your pot, you add your oil.
Then you get your cat!
No man, what the fuck?
Donuts time, time to eat donuts. What? Murder time, time to murder whoever ate my donuts. God damn. A quarter.
Wake up. This bitch is on your phone.
You lost your goddamn mind!
Help me first!
I saved you.
Woohoo! He's already gone!
yeah, but that backflip though.